Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to check your storage and how to delete those files that fill up your space on your iPhone. So let's go direct into the system. Just simple look for setting, click setting. If you don't know how to get there, all you gotta do simple is call this site and then search for storage. Search for setting, and then after setting you can click setting and it will bring you here. You have two options here. You can click search and then type storage, okay, and then you click storage, or you use other option. You go to general, this general right there, and then you look for iPhone storage, this iPhone storage, you click it. Now you can see that this file already consume my storage, my iPhone storage. So I can simply go direct into review your videos from my phone, and then here I can delete all this thing. Remember, we have 1.39 space which already been taken. This is the available space, so and the capacity for this storage it is 64. So simply click review and then select all of your videos and photos like mine. I can simply click all of this and then I can delete them, and then click go back. Now you can see it is 51.39, now it is 49.59, which means that we already removed the files that we do not need under our phone. So this is how you can remove the file from your system and how you can check your iPhone storage. Next moves, if you want to delete some of your application. Let's say this is my TikTok. My TikTok consume more than 3.8 GB. Okay, so if I click upload up here, upload up, it means that this document or this file that already taken space on the iPhone, they will not be removed unless if you delete it. So all the file that are under this will be deleted, not from your TikTok application but within the mobile. So these are the files that already serve themselves offline, so they are not they are not that important, so you can simply delete your app if you do not need it. Let's say document and data, I can simply delete it. Let me show it to you here. Now I'm deleting it, so you can see TikTok, yeah, still it's still under there. So I can simply go direct to my TikTok here and delete the TikTok and then reinstall it again. Let me look for it. Let me first start with this. So as long as you know your password and your email address, you can still log in onto your system. So let me simply look for iPhone, and for TikTok. I think I don't have it. Let me click here if I have it. TikTok. All right, it is not there. Okay, I think it is not there, so I can simply go direct into TikTok app and then download it again if I want to. Okay, so let me simply do it. You can see that I already removed it. So if I go back to the storage, you can see that it already removed the TikTok from my under my application. I think you've seen that. CapCut is there. I can also delete it if I don't want. YouTube also is taking much of the space. I can delete it also if I don't want. So this is how you can delete some of the apps that are filling up your storage to have a free space on your mobile. So that's it for now. So if you have any question, please drop it. Thank you.